Hi, today I'm going to show you how I fixed problem with X red cross in Windows 11. If you want to remove red X near the files, we need to open File Explorer. So I click on Start and I type here File Explorer. After that I open this result and here I need to click right mouse button on OneDrive Personal option. Then I need to go to Show More Options. I need to go to Settings and here we need to unlink this PC. So I need to unlink this account, so I click here, and now you will see this information. Unlink account on this PC, your OneDrive files will stop sensing, locally available files will remain on this device, while online only files will be removed. So now if you are sure that you want to do it, you need to click on unlink account, and then this account will be unlinked. So now we need to close this window, and we need to click right mouse button somewhere on the desktop. After that, we need to press refresh button, and this process should fix your problem. So if I helped you to remove red X signs near your files, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.